Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to everyone. The software can scan all phone numbers. On Google Maps. If people are working in areas like real estate or, total warehouse, then business. Well, everything that's going to be needed is going to need this part of the screen. This part of the screen will just help everyone. Scan the phone number above, Google Maps, and I just help people to find it. 5 stars, Google, my Google Maps. As you can see on the screen, you just need to add your Gmail here. This is the Gmail Manager. Manage this account. People want to add people. Just click on the section, Add an account here, and people will choose the format. Just choose the format. Your format. After choosing the format, well, in the part, this proxy, if you need it, will be proxy added. And each account will have an IP network. Different or not, there is no need. Next is the Google scan. In this part, everyone just needs to choose a keyword. Keywords that people want to scan. For example, people want to scan real estate. Then everyone just needs to enter the keyword here. And then everyone. Just fill in these numbers. Then everyone can click it. This section will automatically scan out for everyone. Your phone number is on Google Maps. Google Maps by keyword that you want. And then there's the 5-star review. This Google Maps review will help everyone as well. It creates credibility on Google. I have my own business on Google Maps. You'll see this. Is the time interval between these assessments? People will adjust from 30 to 60 seconds, or a little higher to little. It's like a real user. Here you are, 5-star rating settings. Or 4 stars. Usually people CD. People just type 5 stars. Here, enter content. The content here, everyone can be or who people can use. Either that or the number of stars is up to everyone. That's the number of reviews. And this list of places, well, people choose this common rating. How many times is it evaluated per location? For example, I have many links. Add more shops here. There you go. Everyone can see. Or Gmail interaction to help. Keep up your Gmail accounts. How to interact like a real user, so that the platform can't even scan itself. And this is the software that I have MKT Map with me. If you're interested in software, 2. Rate 5 stars, or scan the phone number on the map. It could be my inbox. I will advise. Better for everyone. Xin Chao, and see you all again.